There are no known plants that will keep snakes away. There's a rumor out there that there are plants that will help to keep snakes away, or that will repel snakes from around our houses or places that we like to sit and frequent. Ultimately, it is just a rumor. There are no plants that will do that. Some people point to aromatic plants like this lavender, or something even like marigold, which doesn't exactly have a nice smell, but still has a smell, that will repel snakes. And ultimately, there has been no scientific proof to show that this is the case. Snakes can hold their breath as much as we can hold our breath. And why wouldn't they do that just to get past something that they don't like in the same way that we do it? So it is a complete myth that there are plants that will repel snakes. Our best bet, if we are to keep snakes from coming close to the areas that we want to spend more time in, is to eliminate the factors that will draw them in. So snakes will follow prey to an area. So if we can try and create a space here that is not going to harbor rodents and the other small prey animals that snakes eat, then we will at least reduce the chances of it coming into those spaces that we want to frequent. Likewise, if we reduce the areas that they might like to hide in or even nest in, that will help to reduce the chances of snakes entering into these spaces that we tend to frequent a lot more. If you do come across a snake, you're not sure what type it is, don't just kill it outright. There are groups in Zambia that are set up to help to try and identify and safely relocate snakes out of a dangerous situation for it, as well as for us, to try and save the snake's life as well as human life. So there is an organization called HIS, Helping Hands in Snake Safety, in Zambia. As well as there is a Facebook page on creepy crawlies and other things like that in Zambia that you can post to get information, to try and reduce the incidences where things are just outright killed, be it snakes or anything else that you're not quite certain of. But there are resources available, and it's always best to be able to at least make use of those resources and learn more about these things that we then also interact with, than to just react with panic and fear.